one because I have 7 friends.
Okay.
I'm going to open up some blind bags and some boxes.
Okay.
First, I'm going to open the Captain America Avengers blind bag. Seasons 1. Yeah, I do. Okay. Can I try that? Yeah, the one. Lizard man.
Can I have a look?
Lizard man. I have a car too.
I am not sure. Can
Over
I?
here. Lizard
These are the characters, Marvel characters: Spider-Man, Captain America, Ultron, Hulk, Punisher, Doc Ock, Iron Man, Green Goblin, Thor, Venom, Hulk, Ghost Rider. Oh, okay, I found it. Captain America, Spider-Man, Ultron, Red Hulk, Green Goblin, Carnage. How do you pronounce it, saya? C-A-R-N-A-G-E.
Carnage.
Huh?
Carnage.
Carnage. Okay.
It's over here.
Carnegie. Ah.
Huh? N-A-G-H.
G-E.
Huh?
G-E.
Itu Carnegie.
Okay, it's a character. Come.
Carnage.
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 Ghost Rider, Ultron.
Carnegie Mellon.
Carnegie Mellon. Okay, what do you have next? Her hair is wet, so the shirt gets wet too.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna open the
Can I have a look? Cute one. What's this? Teasel Toys.
Teasel
Action
toys.
figures.
Here we go.
Here we go.
I
Okay.
can't really open this.
Go.
Princess.
Louder.
Here we have the princess.
Nice, so cute. Is that all?
No.
No?
No.
Hello. Okay, what else? Another blind bag?
Yes.
Can you show me? Ah, Littlest Pet Shop. LPS.
Yeah, LPS. Season 1 again. 4.5. Can I open it? Is it okay if I show just the line back?
No, open it.
I'll just show you. Okay, I'll keep cutting. I can't cut it. Yay! I like this girl. I like this one. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you got two. Oh no, it's only one.
Is it the thing? What's the
So
name?
cute.
Dick on Rock. Dick on Rock.
Okay. Is that all?
Yes.
Okay.
If you want to watch more videos of Sophia's 1-7 gymnasticals, click on the comments below. Bye.
Click on the comments below.